Hello viewers, I am Ron. Welcome to my channel PSC Exam Prep. Today we are going to discuss 20 GK questions, within 5 minutes. But before getting to it, please do subscribe to my channel. Moving on. The first question for this series is: the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 was passed during the Prime Ministership of. The answer is Rajiv Gandhi. The answer is Rajiv Gandhi. Moving on to the next question. Where the first women's court in India came into existence? I repeat, where the first women's court in India came into existence? The answer is Malda, West Bengal. The answer is Malda, West Bengal. Moving on to the next question. In the Constitution of India, which article mentions the establishment of welfare state in India? The article is 39. Answer is Article 39. Next question. On which date President signed the National Food Security Act? President signed the National Food Security Act on 2013 September 12th. The answer is 2013 September 12th. Next question. The president who signed the National Food Security Act. That is the name of the president who signed the National Food Security Act. The answer is Pranab Mukherjee. The answer is Pranab Mukherjee. Moving on to the next question. The upper age limit for the appointment of chairman and the members of the National Human Rights Commission. The answer is 70 years. That's the upper age limit for National Human Rights Commission. Next question. When was the National Human Rights Commission formed? When was the National Human Rights Commission formed? The answer is 12th October of 1993. I repeat the answer. The answer is 12th October of 1993. Next question. What is the tenure of Chief Information Commissioner of India? The answer is 3 years. The tenure of Chief Information Commissioner is 3 years. Next question. Which act is known as the Sunshine Legislation of Indian Democracy? Sunshine Legislation of Indian Democracy is the Right to Information Act. That's the Sunshine Legislation of Indian Democracy. Right to Information Act. Next question. Who headed the Indian Civil Service during the British period? The answer is Secretary of State for India. I repeat, the answer is Secretary of State for India. Next question. Who is regarded as the father of the Indian Civil Service? That is ICS. The answer is Lord Cornwallis. I repeat, the answer is Lord Cornwallis. Next question. Who created the post of District Collector in India? I repeat, the post of District Collector in India was created by whom? The answer is Warren Hastings. I repeat, the answer is Warren Hastings. Next question. The first Indian to join ICS, that is the Indian Civil Service. The answer is Satyendranath Tagore in 1864. That is Satyendranath Tagore in 1864. The next question. The first Cabinet Secretary of India. First Cabinet Secretary of India is N.R. Pillai. I repeat the answer. The answer is N.R. Pillai. Moving on to the next question. Who is called the first civil servant of the country? I repeat, who is called the first civil servant of the country? The answer is the Cabinet Secretary. I repeat, the answer is the Cabinet Secretary. Moving on to the next question. Who heads district administration in India? I repeat, who heads district administration in India? The answer is District Collector. I repeat the answer. The answer is District Collector. Moving on to the next question. On which date Right to Service Act came into effect in Kerala? The answer is 1st November of 2013. I repeat, the answer is 1st November of 2013. Moving on to the next question. The first state to implement Right to Service Act. The first state to implement Right to Service Act. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. I repeat, the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Whose birthday is observed as Good Governance Day? I repeat, Good Governance Day. The answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. His birthday is celebrated as Good Governance Day. Next, the final question of the series: who decides the tenure of the Information Commissioner of India? The answer is Union Government. Union Government decides the tenure of the Information Commissioner of India. Answer is Union Government. Well, that's all for now. So if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.